What park it's called?
Krka
National Park. We're at Krka National Park. It's very touristy, but very busy. But it looks boss. Cool fish. I'm not sure about the ID of them yet. I'll figure that out. They're very cool. Some sort of freshwater fish. Yeah, that's gonna bug me the whole day, not knowing what that fish is. I will figure it out. I'll ID it, I swear. Only 25 minutes of walking in this whole national park, so it's not that big.
We get off of this wooden trail now because of the
What?
slide to the road, you're straight under.
You're losing down here. Slides go down the waterfall.
Literally. Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's all it's very touristy. You can't swim here.
Yeah, not anymore. We used to be able to, I think, 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
I don't know why. COVID.
Something like that. Rainbow trout? Maybe rainbow trout. Love trapper box. So many people.
Muchas personas.
Muchas, yeah. Quiero. The other side. What?
Went in the water.
Yeah, no.
I thought you did all the research when you came in.
I'm trying, yeah, but I did sneaks, man. I'm going for snakes, but I don't think I'm going to see any yet.
No, I don't. It'd be really upsetting when Abby's only one of them.
I'm not shy. Still though. They look amazing. The water looks clean outside as well. Some rainbow trout. I think. If not, I'm gonna have to look it up. Stop it, is it? What is it?
Wat denk je als die opeten?
What?
It's a trout with rainbow trout.
Yes!
The upper flow, it's in the upper flood.
Yes, we're right. It is a trout and rainbow trout. Come on. Yes. I'm not paying money for nothing. Mate, I thought it, thank fuck. Drive me nuts. So, I've realised, I'm not putting that mic. So I've realised I was sitting here. I need to give a little bit of context to the clips. So I saw that it was very scenic. I was just trying to show the case to how beautiful the Krka National Park is. But I've realised that I didn't do enough speaking when I was there. So anyway, we went to the national park, as you saw. We were just filming it, just taking on the beauty. It was very, very busy as I keep going. Very touristy, very touristy. It was. But anyway, still rambling about that. But then, a part of our little tour, we then would get a ferry down to the little village down the river. So that's what you're about to see now. You're about to see the time lapse of that. And then I'll take it away from there, I guess. We'll do a bit of swimming and stuff. Anyway, I'll be back there. Ciao.
Shoot my hand again. I'm getting better. Fucking hell. No. Go and see if there's any fish. Probably can't. I'll try. Yeah, operation not successful. We've not found the football. There's nowhere in the city that has
Game's not starting
a
in
working
West Ham. West Ham
TV.
already losing 3-0.
Mate, ever has TVs and footballs here, but no one has football on. It is what it is. Fuck. Fine, I'll just cry. Plan B.
Šibenik, jeste Strnica? Maroša, onda znate pjevat fino, ajde, to mi je drago. Evo, Šibenika, pješke je došla do ovdje. Svaka je čast. Ljudi, na nogama, vidi ove momke zgodne, vidi ovog tipa. Vidi, ovo Žako vodi, vidi ovaj manje, kak se zove? Ivo. Odakle si? Šibenika. Majko, takav sve ide Šibenika. Ste motociklisti. Izgledate mi ko da imate. Idite kacigu. A okrali ste djetetu kacigu, dobili ste kapicu. I, jeste probali već nešto? Probajte ove druge režote, druge specialitete. Imate ekipu, samo uživajte ovdje i pazite polako samo. Autobus vozite ko 11. Znamo. Ima taksi? Bravo. Evo malo da samo prođemo ovdje. Skužajte. Tako, da vidimo šta ima ovdje za pronaći. Ne morate bježati da bude gledano. Neću vas, ne bojte se. Ne bojte se, momci. Da vidimo, vidi ove momce. Dobro večer. Dobar ti. Vi ste, odakle manje?
Napit, on će svakdje doći.
Sa Naklica. Pa to je lijepo. Evo, kako je tu gledamo? Bravo, kaj mislite da je vjerno da su Naklice? Koje vino ste si dali? Jučer smo bili kod Sladića, Boga mi osladili smo se fest. Ljudi, uživajte.
Many hours later.
There's a champion. Little champ. He won. I never tried that. Worst. It's like a drink. I'll do that. Monday. 60-minute set. I'll say nice like. Just like that. But it's fucking gone. It's funny. It's sad. It's funny. Yeah, that's not a copyright song. Please. Fast food. I drank my beer. And also the musician drink. Blah, 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 blah. Well, we're probably going to go across the road to the actual bar, I think. See what happens there. So, I'd like to introduce you to this new section of the video called Harrison and myself drunk interviews starring ourselves and some new guests. Yeah, it's gonna be a painful watch. Anyway, enjoy.
Yeah, Charlie's Bar. Come on to Charlie's Bar. What's going on here then? Right, so right now we've got Louis and I'll tell you my name in 2 seconds. Right, we've got Louis and Reed. I'm chatting about cameras right now. Bunch of nerd shit. We're in Charlie's Bar. They've got a challenge on right now. If you can down 4 Blue Lagoons, you can get a shirt. Someone's already taken the golden shirt, which is the first person to down 4. But if you get a black shirt or a white shirt if you down 4 Blue Lagoons, which I believe 4 Blue Lagoons is a vodka. Whoa! What are you doing? Right, 4 Blue Lagoons, and that is a vodka, lime, rum, and some other stuff. Louis is currently on 2 stamps, I think. So if he gets 2 more, he gets the Charlie's Bar t-shirt. And the Charlie's Bar t-shirt, post it oh wait. Looking for a souvenir? Charlie's Backpack Bar. Get your t-shirt in 3 ways. You can either buy it for €25 or you can complete the Adios challenge by drinking 4 Adios Bar Blue Lagoons. Complete the Adios challenge first and get the gold shirt. You can prove your name is Charlie. Don't forget to send a pic and we will add it to your Charlie's Around the World album on our Instagram. Come on, Charlie's Bar. There you go. I've done the promo. Right, so we're here in Split. Who are we with?
Marid.
Right, Marid. What do you do for work, Marid?
Marid, and I work as a surf instructor.
Right, and where are you from?
Northern Ireland.
Right, and what are you doing out here in Split?
Again for a little relaxing holiday by myself.
Right. And who are we here with?
Louis?
Yeah, we all know who Louis is.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, why are you here in Split, Louis?
I was forced to be here, help.
He was not, what?
I was forced to be here by Harrison.
Right, Louis is not forced to be here. Louis done this on his own accord. Louis actually forced me out here. He told me, if you're not going to be the cameraman, we're staying in the same room, help. Right, are we connected? Are we connected up?
I guess, I don't know.
I think we're connected. Right, I'm trying to... Right, so we're at a rooftop bar. Really nice. Not a lot of people, but really nice. We met some Americans, we've got some English, some French. We've got quite a few people here. A really nice rooftop bar. Let me show you the rest. Really nice seats. We got booted out of another bar because it was too late. It's currently 1 in the morning. We've got the boat cruise. We've also got boat cruise into swimming. We've got all of that stuff. So really nice rooftop bar here, right on the marina. Got loads of yachts here. Really nice stuff. Let's get some Louis for you. Let's get some Louis. See what we can get here. See what we can get here. There we go.
I'm negotiating for you. I'm on your side. To be honest, we're just bored.
Right. Let's go away from there. They're trying to do some dealings. The kind of French people that I was speaking to, one of them plays football for Nice apparently. Apparently he's on FIFA, so if you do see him in the video, just try to see if you can get him on FIFA. He didn't tell me what card he is on, I think, but see if you can find him. Really nice building over there as well. I don't know if you guys can see. Just get a little 360 quickly. Right. I don't know what's going on here. I've been moved across. I've been told to move. I'm now over at the bar meeting some more people. I don't know what's going on here.
Yeah, we're American.
Right, we're here with
Wilson, how you doing? Good?
Let's get the camera on. Here we
Hey, here I am.
go. Here he is.
How you doing? Good?
Good, mate. Good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm doing good. I'm good.
How's Split?
Oh, really nice. Lovely
Yeah?
place.
Yeah.
Lovely place.
Where would you say is the best place to go in Split?
I think it was a nightclub. No, sorry, the Charlie's Bar.
Your Charlie's Bar.
No, Charlie's Bar.
Yeah.
No? And for you?
Charlie's Bar. It's got to be. Charlie's Bar.
Perfect.
So, yeah, that's the end of the footage for that night. Yeah, just painful to watch. But anyway, I didn't actually do an outro, so this will act as the outro. So, adios, like and subscribe, and whatever else you feel like doing. Peace.